must have heard elders saying that they are going to office to work. Now, in the office, they sit on a computer for the entire day and they say that they are working very hard. But do you know that in terms of physics, they are doing no work at all? So, in terms of physics, sitting on a computer the entire day and working very hard actually is no work. Now, similarly, when the elders are in kitchen, they say that they are working and they will attend to you later. But in reality, in terms of physics, they are also doing no work at all. Not only them. Can you see this weightlifter? He's lifting such heavy weights. But again, in terms of physics, what do you think? Is he doing any work? Well, he's definitely putting in a lot of strength. But in terms of physics, even he is not doing any work at all. So what exactly is work in terms of physics? If even this is not work, then what is work? Well, a lot of things which we do is not work in physics at all. For example, the judges sit in the court and listen the entire day. And in terms of physics, they are doing no work at all. What about the politicians? They speak for hours and they say they are exhausted. But in terms of physics, again, they are doing no work at all. And what about the great thinkers? They think of so many new theories and so many new things. But in terms of physics, they are also doing no work at all. So you see, none of them who actually say that they are working very hard in terms of physics are doing no work. And why is that? Because it does not differentiate between a lifeless object and a living being. So here, in terms of physics, this block sliding here and this man sliding here are the same, because physics will not take into consideration the emotions of this man or the motivations of this man for sliding here. So in terms of physics, both this block and this man are same. A block sliding here and a man sliding here are same in terms of physics, because physics only considers the things which lifeless objects can do. So whatever we do, for example, listening, talking, or thinking, these are not work in terms of physics, because lifeless objects do not listen, talk, or think. So all these different emotional things, whatever we do, these are not considered work in terms of physics. So what is work in terms of physics? Let's see. Now, what happens when a boy pushes the book on the table? So when you push the book, it will move this side, isn't it? Now, what would happen when the horse pulls this cart? Well, horse will pull the cart in this direction and the cart will move in this direction, isn't it? So let's see what are the different things which are happening in terms of work. So in both the cases, force is applied on the object and the object moves through a distance. So whenever force is able to move an object, then we say work is done on the object by the force. So you see, work will only be done when force is able to move an object. So in the case of the pushing of the book, what happens? Well, boy pushes the book on the table, and then what happens because of that? A force is applied by the boy on the book, right? So the book moves through a distance, and that's why work is being done in this case, because the boy applied a force and the book moved through a distance. So work is being done here. Now, what happens in the case of horse cart? Well, horse pulls the cart So what happens is, again, force is applied by the horse on the cart, right? So cart moves through a distance here. Again, force was applied, and because of that, cart moved through a distance. And that's why work is being done in this case too. So, can you tell me, in the case of boy, who is doing the work and on what is the work being done? Let's see. So, work is being done by the object which applies the force, and work is being done on the object which gets displaced. So, the boy is applying the force on the book, because of which the book is moving. So, boy is the object which is applying the force. So, here work is done by the object, that is the boy, and work is being done on what? What is getting displaced in this case? The book is getting displaced. So, book is the object which is getting displaced, or on which the work is being done. So, work is being done on which object? On the object which is getting displaced, which is book in this case. So, work is being done by the boy who is applying the force, and the work is being done on the book which is getting displaced. So, boy pushes the book. So, boy applies force on the book. So, work is being done by the boy, isn't it? Because boy is applying the push force, and because of which the book is being displaced. So, boy applies the force. So, work is being done by the boy. Now, when the boy pushes the book, book moves through a distance. And so, work is being done on the book, because book is the one object which is moving through a distance. And that is why work is being done on the book. So, you see, in this case, work is being done on the book by the boy. So, work is being done by the boy on the book. Now, let's see another scenario. So, can you tell me, in the case of horse cart, who is doing the work and on what is the work being done? The horse is pulling the cart and the cart moves through a distance. So, the horse is doing the work and the cart is the object on which the work is being done. So, let's understand in detail. So, horse pulls the cart in this case. So, we can say that horse applies a force on the cart, and that's why work is being done by the horse. So, you see, horse is the one that applies the force, and that is why horse is doing the work. Now, horse pulls the cart, cart moves through a distance. So, what happens in this case? Work is being done on the cart, because cart is the object which is moving through a distance, and that is why work is being done on the cart. So, in this case, work is being done by the horse on the cart. So, you see, when we talk about work, what exactly is it? Well, when force is able to move an object, then we say work is done. So, only when the force will move an object, then we would say that work is done. So, what exactly is work? When force is able to move an object, then we say work is done. And even if the force applied is very large, but there is no movement, then no work is done, as we saw in the case of the weightlifter. So, he was applying a huge amount of force, but he was not moving the weights anywhere, and that's why he was not working. Similarly, we had elders going to office and sitting on the computer the whole time, and definitely they get exhausted and they work very hard. But in terms of physics, as they are not moving anything, that's why they are doing no work at all. So only when force is able to move an object, we say that work is done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.